Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. Today I am back here to show you my kitchen tour. And today let's see my kitchen. It's not well prepared for a video, but just let go. Let's go to my kitchen. This is my kitchen and we keep all vegetables washed. You can see here fruits, sapota, lady's finger, carrot, brinjal, all are washed. And here there are few buckets, and this shelf was not there. This was just made by my father. He cut some glasses and put it and made. Here are some masalas. Then these are some vessels. We don't use aluminium to cook, but this is the one vessel. This aluminium vessel is what was there before. And here are vessels. Even potatoes, we wash potatoes. And here is a small pumpkin. With this pumpkin, I'll be uploading a pumpkin recipe, and soon we'll see. It's a very good recipe. Then this is honey. Honey we use for medicinal use. Then we eat nuts, dates, and this is a protein powder. This is dal. We have washed it and dried it because we'll need it sometimes. Peanut butter. And then here we go with seeds. This is sunflower seed and this is pumpkin seed. It's very good for health. And cinnamon. And here is a dabba with all spices. You can see cinnamon, clove, star, and this is a kind of cardamom. It's very powerful and very nice. This is the normal cardamom, and this one I don't know. Then this is pepper. These are the spices. These are tomatoes. Tomatoes are very expensive now, so we have just washed and kept it. And the cylinder we wash and bring inside. These are oils, coconut oil, and this is a dustbin for which we used to put only covers, plastic covers. We don't put any plastic waste inside our place. We throw it separately. And this is rainwater to wash vessel. And this is the bucket for which we put food waste. We make manure. I'll give the link below for which how to make manure. And this is the fridge. You can see all the vegetables in the fridge are also washed cleanly, and you can see every dabba's containers in the fridge are covered so that any bad things from the fridge won't be inside the food. So even lemon we put in their containers and keep it safe. Ginger, garlic and all. The whole fridge tour is there in my sister's channel. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can. I hope so. My kitchen tour was very useful. And one last thing, I have forgotten to tell about this. This is the knife stand. This is made by Siddiq. Honey made it. It's very nice. He made it with wood and he gave some kind of polish. It's so nice. I'll just show you. You can just see it. And it's very nice. Pretty nice. Hope so this video will be very useful. Until next, take care. Bye bye. I'll be coming up with more recipes. Until next, take care. Bye.